Today we're going to look at 10 home spa ideas. Please make sure to click the like button and the follow button. Okay everyone, let us get started. The first thing I will recommend is a DIY pedicure station. I absolutely love this. I'm able to prop up one foot and then dry the other foot with the fan that is included. As you can see, you can even hold your nail polish. Immediately after I polish my nails, I love to use the foot bath. It is so relaxing. Just something as simple as a towel, a warm towel, is just enough to do the trick to make you feel relaxed. After that, I love to have a foot massage. So I love using shiatsu foot massagers. They really do the trick. I would recommend having a manicure station. I know this looks so expensive, but I really did not spend much money at all getting this from Amazon. And then the thing I love about this is that this is so portable. It can fold and it even comes with a bag. Check out this drawer right here. Yes, you can even store extra things there. I love the fact that I can pop this up and then put this away really quickly. But I have my own manicure station at home. I love it. You can also set up a massage station. I love massage items. I absolutely do. As you can see, this cushion can go on the back of any chair and it can give you a nice shiatsu massage. See it work right there? And then I also love massage mats. Most of the massage mats that I've seen are vibrating, and so vibrating is different than shiatsu, but I still really enjoy it. You can lay this on your bed or even on the floor. Sometimes I like to use the handheld devices. This feels like a lot of tiny hands squeezing and rubbing on you. And I noticed that it feels differently if you put it on your scalp versus on your neck or your arm. But either way, it feels great. You can also do a facial. These are cold stones that you would keep cool, and you can rub them on your skin, on your face, or the rest of your body. Or you can do gua sha. As you can see, there are different types of gua sha tools that you can rub and smooth onto your face to give you a nice facial. Now the next items I absolutely love, and I actually got them from the dollar store. Yes, one is a face scrubber, one is a quartz massager, and one is like a rolling massager. You can also do a hot stone facial. I don't let my rocks get too hot at all. I keep them kind of cool. You can use them on your body as well as on your face if you keep them kind of cool. Think about using sound. I love to ring these bells right at the beginning of my relaxation session. Set the atmosphere. I love these candles. These are not real candles and they are battery operated. Look at the sound machine there too, as well as the aromatherapy diffuser. I love it. You can also set the atmosphere by having a robe. So just propping a robe up for yourself to use right after your shower or bath is fantastic. You can also use a sauna. And look at this right here. Yes, first, this right here is my towel heater. You can also use a hand dryer, just something to jazz up the bathroom, as well as a sauna. I love this. So they even have portable ones that you could put up and put down if you don't want to use one of these right here that's made out of wood. You can also take a relaxing bath. Yes, just sitting down and soaking in the tub is always a fun idea. I absolutely love it. It's very relaxing. And then of course, if you use bubble bath, you can toss that in there. If you don't like bubbles, or you say, hey, you know, this is not good for my skin chemistry, that's fine as well too. But taking a nice relaxing soak is a great idea after a long day. But you can also get moving. So after you take your nice long bath, you can also get up and see what I have here for number 9. You could take a nice nature walk. So if you have a forest preserve that you feel comfortable with using, you can always use that. Or if you have a park that's more out in the open, you can use that instead. And the last thing that I have is taking a picnic. You can just treat yourself to a nice picnic. Just having a picnic blanket and preparing food ahead of time, or even juices that you could take with you, is a great idea. But just having that time to yourself just to relax is great. Thank you guys. Bye until next time.